Most fans never realized it, but birds have been hiding in Zootopia from the very beginning, and Zootopia 2 quietly confirms it. The wild part? The sequel hints that the third movie was already in motion. There's a moment where Clawhauser struggles to unlock a computer, and the tiny text on the password screen literally teases that Part 3 is real, and so are the birds. Later, during the credits, Judy talks about her next case right before a lone feather drifts onto her window, almost like someone above was watching her. Even Gazelle's performance features wing-like visuals, subtly pointing to a new species entering the story. What bird species do you want to see in Zootopia 3? Drop your answer below.